Welcome back to the channel. Join us today as we visit Maui's Iao Needle at the Iao Valley State Park. We will see the botanical garden, take 3 trails, check out the needle from the viewpoint, stand in amazement of all of the lush green rainforest, and take advantage of every photo opportunity. The Iao Valley is what remains of the central crater of the West Maui volcano. Iao is Hawaiian for Cloud Supreme. The park is located in central Maui and is a 4,000-acre, 10-mile-long park. The park is known for the 1,200-foot needle, which is a green mantle rock outcropping overlooking a stream. We visited the park 2 times when we were in Maui in July of 2025. One time on our own and the second time with friends on the way back to the airport. There was plenty of parking both times we arrived. Once was around 8 a.m. and the other time was near closing around 5 p.m. Advance reservations have been required for park entry since 2023. This is easy to make on the gostateparks.hawaii.gov website. See the link below in the video description for making reservations. Iao Valley has a lot of historical significance because it was here in 1790 during the Battle of Kepaniwai where the king clashed with Maui's army. The king was trying to unite the islands. This needle was a lookout point. The king did defeat Maui forces and this changed the course of Hawaiian history. There's the parking lot. You do need a reservation to come in. You can choose your time. We had 7:30 a.m. until 9 a.m. Get a QR code that they scan when you pull up. Park there. There's some restrooms right here. This is the ethnobotanical trail, which we have not done yet. You get to go over a bridge here and come around. We're heading to the needle. There's a beautiful creek. There are 3 main trails that we explored while we visited. The first is a well-marked paved pedestrian path leading from the parking lot to the needle lookout. It's better to go early in the morning for cooler temperatures and less cloud cover of the needle. The second trail that we did here was a rainforest walk that was very well maintained and mostly a dirt path down to the creek. The third was also a paved path and it was down through the ethnobotanical loop. The valley is covered in dense rainforest. It really looks like a view from a Jurassic Park or King Kong movie. To get to the view of the needle, you will need to climb about 133 paved steps on the Iao Needle Lookout Trail and then descend to come back down. This is relatively easy, but it is a bit of a climb. The path is paved and lined with signs detailing the area's history and culture. It is also very accessible for children, and that's one of the reasons I chose this one for one of our hikes. Our 7-year-old had no problems on any of the trails here, and he really enjoyed it. I highly recommend visiting Iao Valley State Park. It is beautiful, green, breathtaking, and it only takes 30 minutes to about an hour to see all the sights. After you get down the steps from seeing the needle, to the right here where those hikers are coming out, you can see the trail to go down to get to the creek. This trail starts off with the same paved steps, then it turns into more of a sidewalk, and then finally a dirt path with some rocks near the creek. Good job watching your step. It says trail this way, so. So this is one of the extra trails, not the one to the needle or the botanical loop. So we're just checking it out real quick. This one is not paved, obviously, but not too bad of a path. You want to see the stream? You stand here on this one? The ethnobotanical loop is approximately half a mile long and is considered easy. The garden is where you learn and view traditional Hawaiian plants. The 3 short trails that we took will take a total of about 1 hour, depending on how quickly you go. If you're in a hurry, you could probably see quite a bit in about 30 minutes. There are restrooms on site, but they were locked when we were there in July of 2025. They did have quite a few portable toilets available. It ends right over there, so I'll head up. Thank you for watching and joining us in Maui at the Iao Needle State Park. Check out the other videos on my channel for other travel adventures. See you next time.